we present Uplift, a system that supports casual collaborative visual analytics in the domain of smart grid technologies. We applied a co-design approach to design, implement, and evaluate Uplift with experts in energy systems and members of the Monash microgrid project. Results of initial interviews and an elicitation workshop led to 4 design criteria for supporting collaborative discussions between various experts and stakeholders. To provide an engaging centerpiece for collaboration and knowledge sharing, Uplift integrates several technologies: a tabletop display, tracked tangible widgets, head-worn augmented reality displays, and a large display backdrop. The table holds a physical model of the Monash campus. Users can select different base maps to be shown on the tabletop surface. Uplift uses embedded data visualization to show energy data for each campus building. To identify patterns, users can drill down in time with a tangible widget from yearly through hourly granularity. Changes in the chosen time frame are animated using the handheld's time slider. Lifting up the time slider reveals a snapshot of time through space-time cube visualization. Energy data are shown above each building in a series of time slices. Picking up a building widget shows details on demand about energy use within the building. Other data are situated in space above or around the tabletop. Here we see bars representing solar power generation from cells located on each building. The selected time point is shown on a 2D chart of weather data displayed behind the tabletop. Multiple feedback sessions with experts in our co-design process provided several potential use cases and future opportunities for Uplift.